Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to Berlin for a few days on Monday, and well, when you're gonna see this video I'm already back. But yeah, I thought I'd show you how I pack. The first thing I do every time before I start packing is that I make a packing list. So I do a list of everything that I need with me when I'm going for a trip or for a holiday or whatever. So yeah, this time the trip is like 3 days, so I only have like 1 full day in Berlin, but yeah, so I don't need that much stuff with me. And because of that I'm gonna take this bag with me. I hope you can see it. Also, another thing that I do before I start the actual packing process is that I plan my outfits ahead. I think it's much easier if you do that. Also, then you might not like need to take that many extra clothes with you, and I don't know, I just find it a lot easier to plan them ahead. I usually write them down, like either on paper or on my phone or something like that. But if it's easier for you, you can of course like take pictures of the outfits, like just like, you know, wear the outfit and go in front of the mirror and take a picture with your phone, and that way you don't have to write them down. But yeah, for me it's easier to just write them down, because I usually don't even try the outfits on. I just like know that I want to wear this outfit with this thing and that thing, and I just write it down. Let's start packing. So here's the outfits packed. So I have like this white shirt dress and white jeans, and then some leggings and a dress, and I only need to pack 2 outfits since I'm gonna be there 3 days, so I'm obviously gonna wear the 3rd one. So yeah, these I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna put them into a plastic bag because I don't want the clothes to, like, you know, be all around the bag. I want the bag to be neat and that I can easily find everything from it. So yeah, I'm gonna put them into a plastic bag, and in that same bag I'm gonna put like some extra underwear, obviously, socks, my pajama, and so on. So yeah, so the clothes are there now and it's time to pack them. And then the cosmetic and makeup products I'm gonna show you. So I'll take these with me, so sun cream and body wash, facial wash, deodorant, eye makeup remover, travel size. This one also, well, almost everything is travel size. This like perfume tester thing, because perfect size for traveling as well. Lip balm, eyelash curler, eyebrow brush and mascara, and also I will take my face cream as well, but I need it still before the trip, so I'm gonna only pack these ones now. So I put them all into this makeup bag, and then just I'm just gonna add the facial cream here, like I think the evening before or the morning when I'm leaving. Then I of course need some electronics, so I'm gonna take a tablet, probably headphones just in case, phone of course, the vlogging camera, and charger for my phone, and so on. Some of the things I can't pack yet. Actually, I think I can't pack any of them yet, because I still have to charge the battery of the tablet. And what else? Yeah, I'm gonna of course take some sunglasses with me as well, and things like that. still some things that I need to pack later, like my wallet and ID and things like that, but I'll do that later. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, the next video or the video after the next video, I don't know yet, will be Berlin lookbook, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.